Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing a fun video called ChatGPT Controls My Life in Los Angeles. If you don't know, ChatGPT is like an AI bot that gives you tips, lists, tricks, things to do. Like, it does mostly everything. So I'm just going to ask some questions and then follow that throughout my day. So if you like this type of content, if you like luxury lifestyle content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So to start off, I asked them, what should I eat for breakfast? One simple healthy recipe that I should eat for breakfast. And they gave me the easiest recipe ever, which is yogurt. So I have this plain Greek yogurt here that I'm gonna eat with some fruit. They say you can add fruit or granola. I'm just gonna add some fruit to it. I'm gonna ask them for a glute gym workout. Usually I go to the gym 1 time per week and I do Pilates the other 2 times. So I asked them for a glute workout. And we'll see what kind of workout they give me. I want it to be 5 exercises, glute focused. And then I'm gonna go to the gym and get started on that. So here's the breakfast. I just had berries and yogurt and it honestly was so good. Then I went to the gym to do the workout routine. I focused mostly on glutes, so I did lunges, squats with a kettlebell, glute bridges, and it was hip thrust and cable pull throughs. Honestly, the workout was pretty good and my glutes did burn. So then I went to Sweet Green. This was my first time ever trying Sweet Green. They recommended it to me for a lunch in LA, and honestly, to give my final thoughts, I did not like it at all. Like, it was really nasty. So I got my Sweet Green, and I've never tried poke before, so I'm about to try it, and I'm really excited. It comes with a sauce. So it's a spicy tuna poke burrito. They told me to get a bowl, but I was like, the burrito looks better, so let's try it. Okay, it looks good. I'm nervous. I really don't like raw tuna, but it looks good. Okay, let's try. It was a recommendation. Usually I'll eat Chipotle in LA, but that's everywhere. I wanted to try something unique, and this was honestly not it. I just didn't like the fish or anything. Up next, I asked where was the best place to shop in like West Hollywood or LA, and obviously they told me Melrose, so I went up on the upper part of Melrose and I went to just the Real and H. Lorenzo around that area because I was also getting dinner in that area. But honestly, I just went and window shopped. I didn't get anything, but I do love shopping in this area, so it was a really good recommendation if you want to go shop somewhere in West Hollywood. So next up, I asked where to go for dinner. So it's around like 6 p.m. at this time. So I went to Sonochi's. I asked where to go in West Hollywood. And honestly, this was a really great recommendation. I love this restaurant. It's so classy and they had good food. I just decided to get the pizza. So if you need a restaurant in LA, use ChatGPT because they got good recommendations. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to give me a curly hair routine and a nighttime skincare routine. And I know it's daytime right now, but it's around 7:38. So I'm gonna just do my skincare now. So basically I just washed my hair with some Aussie Moist shampoo because they say use sulfate shampoo and just a hydrating conditioner. So I did that. And they also told me to finger detangle, so I just finger detangled. As you can see, it's pretty easy to detangle. Oh, it said add a leave-in conditioner and then air dry. So the leave-in conditioner that I use is this Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's like a cream / leave-in conditioner. So this is the hair after I put in all of the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I'm about to do my skincare routine. With the skincare routine, they said ChatGPT said to use a gentle cleanser. So let's see. I have this off-brand Walmart gentle cleanser, mild for sensitive skin. So I'm about to use that. For the skincare routine, it basically says to cleanse, to exfoliate. So to exfoliate, I was gonna use this Ordinary toning solution because it says chemical exfoliant. I use this Loops mask. Okay, so cleanser, toner, treat, and then it says to use an eye cream and a moisturizer. So for eye cream, I have this caffeine solution from The Ordinary, and then just for moisturizer, I have this Pond's, and then for lip balm, I have Vaseline. Okay, right now it's looking good. I'm gonna apply my moisturizer. No, you apply eye cream first, right? Sponge. When I apply it, like this, just pause that. The routine was fine. Like, you know, I usually just do cleanser and a moisturizer, so it really does look glowy.